Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare gold Standard Whey Protein Real versus fake full comparison. Follow along as I guide you to spot fakes by checking labels, ingredient order, protein percentages, and packaging cues. I explain how to read serving sizes, check scoop volume, and verify batch codes. This walkthrough keeps things practical and friendly so you can buy confidently and avoid wasting money on watered-down protein. Start by reading the label closely and comparing ingredient order versus what the marketing claims. Look for whey isolate or concentrate listed first and avoid jars that hide details in proprietary blends. Note the protein per serving and reconcile it with the stated percentage and scoop weight. This helps identify diluted products and ensures you're getting the protein content you expect without surprises. Next, examine packaging and physical cues using simple household checks that take minutes. Feel the plastic quality, test the seal, and look for consistent lid threading. Compare the scoop design and weight to a verified jar if possible, and scan batch codes or QR codes to confirm manufacturing details. These tactile checks often reveal cheaply reproduced fakes that slip past casual buyers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.